areas like geographical diversity, religious diversity, cultural diversity, racial or ethnic diversity, or linguistic diversity. Now, one by one, let's see. Geographical diversity. What do we mean by geographical diversity? We all know that India is a vast country with great diversity of physical features. We have different types of physical features in India. Himalayan ranges are towards the north. When we come down towards the middle of the India, we can see plains. Then we have Deccan Plateau. Towards the end, we have coastal plains, or we can say coastal ghats. Certain parts in India are so fertile that they are continued amongst the most fertile regions of the world, while others are so unproductive and barren that hardly anything can be grown there. So certain regions are very fertile, certain regions are barren. Means there the rainfall is very less. So though we have all these kind of physical features, but still what we can say is India is having a geographical unity as well as diversity. Now let's see certain other features. When we talk about languages, India has totally 22 official languages. Then we can see Hindi as a widely spoken language in the entire Indian country. English is the language of official use. Then we have certain other tribal languages as well as. Then let's see about the religion aspect. India is home to a large number of religions, wherein we can see Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, then we have Jainism, Buddhism, Parsis. Next is cultures. It is a multicultural society that celebrates holidays and festivals of various religions. So we can say we are all totally a secular country. India is also home to a large number of native dances and musics. And I can proudly say that wherever we go to a different country, we talk more about our culture, our dances, we can also say about our cuisines. Then many states and regions, their own local festivals. And we can also say that India has recognized 3 national holidays in India, wherein what they are the Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Next, when we talk about the mountains, the greatest mountains like Himalayan ranges, a mountain which ranges in Asia, separating the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The Himalayan mountain system is the planet's highest and home to the world's highest peaks, like what we have the Mount Everest and K2s. Next, if we see the wonders, out of the 7 wonders of the world, we can see Taj Mahal as one of the wonders. Then wildlife. India's wildlife is both rich and varied. We have different varieties of animals, species, insects. Then talking about the Indian railway, it is also seen that India has the largest railway connections. And talking about the Indian road network also, now we can see presently the infrastructure for the roads are very, very good. Now, causes of plate movements. I think these topics have been discussed moreover in your school days. So here I would like to just say one thing, that when we see the earth has 7 tectonic plates. The 7 tectonic plates, whenever there is a movement, we can find some natural calamities happening in our earth. For example, heavy rainfall, or it can be flood, or volcanic eruptions, or earthquake. Let's see the 3 types of plate boundaries. We have divergent plate boundary, the first one, transform plate boundary, the second one, the convergent plate boundary, the third one. Divergent